Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Love Spouse app and connect your device step by step. So first, I want you to download and open the Love Spouse app, and you will need to sign in or create an account using one of the available options. Complete the basic profile setup by adding your nickname, profile picture, birthday, and gender. You can also choose whether you want to use the app anonymously, and once you are signed up, you will see the Home, Toys, Explore, Message, and Mind section. At the bottom of the Love Spouse app, to connect a device, go to Toys section and tap Add Device. And then the app may ask for a permission to use Bluetooth, so tap Allow. And then Bluetooth is needed so that the app can find and connect to the devices. Next, I want you to allow camera access when prompted and find the device identification on the product manual or packaging box. Then scan it using your phone's camera, and you can also manually type the device binding code if you cannot scan it. And once the code is accepted, follow the instructions on the screen to complete the connection. After the device is connected, you can return to the toys section whenever you need to access it. You can also explore other sections to view the community, check messages, manage friends, and open your profile. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.